My dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. This is Ghulam Mustafa, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome to today's virtual class. Today I am going to discuss General Mathematics, exercise 8.5, construction number 9 and 10. Let's start. Dear students, this is question number 9 from exercise 8.5. The question is, draw a tangent to a circle which is parallel to a given straight line. That means according to question, a circle and a straight line are given. We have to draw a tangent on this circle from this straight line. So according to question, at first draw a circle and a given straight line. So at first draw a circle with any radius. Suppose this is center and draw a circle with any radius. Okay, as like that. Mention this center O. Mention this center O. Now draw a straight line. Now draw a straight line. According to this question, draw a straight line. Suppose AB, a straight line. AB, a straight line. Now we have to draw a tangent on this circle from this given straight line. Okay, so at first we have to draw a perpendicular from this center O to this straight line AB. Okay, so how to draw a perpendicular? At first set the compass on the center. Okay, as like that, set the compass on the center and draw a arc on this straight line AB. Draw a arc on this straight line AB as like that. This is a arc on this straight line. Okay, now we have to bisect. Now we have to bisect. This is the center. Now we have to bisect this arc to draw a perpendicular on the from the center. Okay, so how to bisect? At first set the compass on the one point of this arc and take more than half the radius, half the distance of this arc, and draw a arc on left side. Now set this compass on another point. Set this compass on another point and draw another arc with the same radius here. Okay, so here see that these two arc intersect at this point. Two arc intersect at this point. Now this intersecting point and the center of this circle join by the scale. Okay, so mention this is the point R. So we can say that OR is perpendicular on the straight line AB. So mention this is the point K. So this is the perpendicular point on the straight line AB. Now we have to draw a tangent on this circle. So here see that this perpendicular line OR intersect the circumference of the circle M. Now extend the perpendicular line OR up to opposite circumference of this circle. Okay, so extend as like that. Okay, suppose here see that this intersecting point mentioned, the point is N. Okay, now again we have to draw a tangent. We have to draw a perpendicular on the point M and draw another perpendicular on the point N. How to draw a perpendicular? Follow me. At first set the compass on the point M. Okay, on the point M. Now in any radius draw a arc. Okay, draw a arc here in any radius. Okay, now set the compass on the in the same radius. Set the compass in here one point of this arc and part this arc in two portion. First portion, and again set this compass here, and this is another portion. Now in this same radius draw the arc in lower part. Okay, again set the compass on here and draw an arc lower part. Here see that two arcs intersect at this point. Now join this intersecting point and the point of M. Okay, now by scale join this intersecting point and M as like that. Okay, imagine this is CD. So CD is the perpendicular on the line OR. Again similarly draw another perpendicular on the point N. So how to draw? So at first again similarly set the compass on the point N. Okay, on the point N. Now draw a arc here. Okay, again in the same radius part this arc in two portion as like that. Suppose first portion and second portion. Okay, second portion. Now again draw the arc lower part. Again set this compass on the another portion of this arc and draw an arc on this lower part. Here see that two intersecting point, two arc intersecting point in here. Now the intersecting point of two arc and the point of N join by scale and extend it. Here see that as like that. Okay, so mark this as E and F. Here see that EF also perpendicular on the line RN. So we can say that CD and EF are two tangent on this circle, which CD and EF both tangent are parallel to the line AB, to the given straight line AB. So our required tangent CD and EF. I hope everybody clear. Construction number 10. The question is draw a tangent to a circle which is perpendicular to a given straight line. That means according to question, a circle and a straight line are given. We have to draw a tangent on this circle to this straight line where the tangent will be perpendicular on this straight line. Okay, so at first draw a circle. According to question, draw a circle with center O. So at first draw a circle. So set the compass and draw a circle as like that. Draw a circle. Suppose this is a circle and with center O. So this, imagine this is, so mark this center O. Okay. Now according to question, a straight line also given. So draw a straight line. Suppose this is a straight line AB. Mark this straight line AB. According to question, this straight line also given. Okay. Now we have to draw tangent on this circle to this straight line. Okay. So at first select any point on this straight line. Suppose this is point P. Okay, this is point P. Now join these 2 points P and center O by using scale. At first join the center and the point P. Okay, okay, and the point P. Now here see that the equal of angle OPA. Draw the angle on the center O. the equal angle of OPA, draw this angle on the center O. So at first set the compass at the point O, on the point O, and in any measurement draw an arc. Okay, so in this equal arc set the compass on O and draw this arc also here. Okay, now the distance of equal arc distance of angle OPA. So at first take the distance OPA, angle OPA arc distance, and then according to this arc distance cut on this arc. Okay, as like that. Now this intersecting point and center O join by scale and extending it as like that. Okay, as like that. Join this and also extend this up to the circle on this point. Okay, so mention this point is E and this point F. Okay, so now we have to draw a tangent on this line AB to the circle. Okay, so which is perpendicular on this straight line. So at first draw a perpendicular from the point F and from point E. So at first set the compass at the point E. Okay, so to draw a perpendicular in any measurement draw a arc here. Okay, so how to draw a perpendicular, you already know how to draw a perpendicular. In this same arc distance part this arc in two portions. So again set this compass here, set this compass in here and part this two portion as like that also. Okay, and now in this same radius of arc draw another arc lower part. Again set the compass on here and also draw the arc on this lower part. Okay, so here see that two arcs intersect at this point. Okay, now by using the scale join the intersecting of two arcs and the point E and the point E as like that. Okay, so mark this, this is C and this point is D. Again draw another perpendicular on the point F. Okay, so by using compass at first set the compass on the point F and draw a perpendicular F to the line of AB. At first draw a arc here. Okay, now the equal measurement, now the equal radius of this arc. At first the equal radius of this arc, part this arc in two portion, first portion and also as like that second portion. Now equal of this arc draw another arc of this lower part and also again set the compass on here and also draw an arc of this lower part. Now here see that these two arc intersect at this point. Now join this intersecting point and the point F by using scale. So here see that as like that. So mention this point R and Q. Okay, so it is clearly seen that QR and CD are two tangents which are perpendicular on the line, on the straight line AB. So this is our two required tangent QR and CD which are perpendicular to the straight line AB. I hope everybody clear. My dear students, if you face any difficulty in this lecture, you may ask me question anytime, or you may contact to your subject teacher. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz. My dear students, if you face any difficulty in this lecture, you may ask me question anytime, or you may contact to your subject teacher. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.